Hello everyone, how's everyone doing today? I'm Lisa, and I'm here with some exciting news. I've decided to share a quick video about Dentitox Pro because I believe it's something you need to know about. So, buckle up folks. Now, I know the name says a lot, but I want to make sure you're crystal clear about Dentitox Pro and why it's a game changer. If you're hesitant, worried about throwing away your hard-earned money, or just want to erase any doubts, you're in the right place. Pay close attention because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with all the knowledge you need. Alright, let's get started. First things first, Dentitox Pro is exclusively available through its official website. I've got you covered though, no need to scramble for the link. It's right there in the description below. Before you make that crucial purchase, remember, the only genuine Dentitox Pro comes from their official website. Now, let me ask you something. Do you suffer from annoying dental issues like sensitive gums, persistent bleeding, or just an overall oral health nightmare? Well, Dentitox Pro is here to rescue you, and it's all natural. No side effects, no complications. It's a game changer, my friends. Weak gums, tooth cavities, or that everlasting yellow tint on your teeth, Dentitox Pro has your back. It doesn't just mask the problems. It goes straight to the root cause. Imagine a life without cavities, without tooth decay, and with pearly white teeth. Dentitox Pro is the answer. Our oral health is as crucial as our overall well-being, and Dentitox Pro is a carefully crafted blend of natural goodness. It's a unique mix of plant extracts, herb extracts, vitamins, and minerals, all chosen to create this powerful formula. And guess what? It works wonders. Don't just take my word for it. Check out the success stories on their official website. Here's the deal: 6 drops of Dentitox Pro daily. That's all it takes. Whether you opt for a shorter treatment or go all in for 6 months, it's a small effort for a big reward. And hey, it's cost-effective to do the math on the official website. Oh, and did I mention the 60-day money-back guarantee? That's right. You've got nothing to lose. If Dentitox Pro doesn't live up to your expectations, they've got you covered. Just reach out to their support team, and your money is back in your pocket. So, if you want to dive deeper into Dentitox Pro, explore its story, ingredients, and maybe even grab one for yourself, the official website link is right below in the description. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I hope I've swept away any doubts you had. Here's to a fantastic day ahead. Bye!